Hey. Okay, so I just wanted to do a real quick video. I just had my bridal shower yesterday, so I'm just gonna do an unboxing of everything because I didn't get to open up my gifts yesterday. So I thought it would be a cute, real fun video to do really quick. So let's get started. So first things first, this is like the first gift I got. It's a box. Says she said yes under it's backwards. Just engaged. Oh, it's an ornament. Oh, and it says she said yes and just engaged. This is so adorable. Oh, it's really cute. You know, it's like perfect gift for next Christmas. Put that over here. Okay. And this one. Knife set. Isn't it cute? It says eat cake and dance. And it says always and forever. This is really, really cute. I needed a knife set because I was thinking I was like have to get my own because me and my fiance didn't do a registry. We were just asking for monetary gifts and stuff, so this is like gonna really come in handy for us. So this back here, and then the next gift is a picture frame. Isn't it beautiful? Yes, we most definitely need this. This is really, really cute. So what else did we get? Got this cute bag here. Oh, okay. Ow. I think it's a card. Okay. Okay. Yes, it's a card in the bag. But it's a cute bag. It's really, really cute. Let's see what the card says. For your wedding shower. Oh, this is so cute. Look at the bride. Ah, come on, focus. Really cute. Isn't that beautiful? Oh. Oh. From the joy in your smile to the love in your eyes, you're going to be a beautiful bride. Oh, thank you. Monetary gift. So, oh, get that up. Excuse me, y'all. And the theme of my bridal shower yesterday, so it was Mardi Gras. So we kind of had like, you know, the Mardi Gras theme. It was really, really cute. So that's why I have my mask on. It's really, really cute. I like it on top of my head or more than this. So, but anyways, it's just like sticking on top of my head. It's cute. So that was really nice. What do we have next? This is a really cute bag. Oh. And I think this is, okay, this is a gift card. Aw, says congrats. This over here. What do we have next? Somebody knows my favorite. I love Godiva. And I love their chocolate covered strawberries. Oh my gosh. If you are near a Godiva store, you need to go and get you some chocolate covered strawberries. Sign up for the rewards card so you can go in and get yourself like a free piece of chocolate every month. I don't go there like that, but I mean, like, every time I walk in or something, if I just, you know, so happen to be at a mall that has one, like Lenox Square Mall or something like that, I'll run by, go grab me some chocolate strawberries and give me a piece of chocolate. I love me some chocolate from Godiva. Okay. All right. What's next? Pretty bag. These are pretty pretty colors. Like, oh, who knew that I love this perfume? It had to be my sister or oh my gosh, or my mom or my best friend, somebody. Who knows I love this perfume? Ah, oh my gosh, it smells so good. And speaking of Lenox, like, that's where like I smelled this perfume at. Like, we were in Lenox, just walking around, and like I was like, I like that. Okay, that was very nice. I have to see who got me this. I'm so thankful. Like, I mean, like, I'm used to celebrating everybody else, and I'm just like, you know, for me and my fiance to be celebrated yesterday, it was really really nice, and I'm just overly thankful for anything that anybody does or anything. So I'm just overly thankful. God is good. Okay, let's see what's next. Ooh, okay, somebody hooked me up with some Bath and Body Works. This smells really good. Got some lotion. And I got a spray. Oh yeah, it's got the shimmer in it. That's gonna be really good. And it's a card in here. Let me take this out. It's really really shiny. Let's see what the card says. For your wedding shower. The card is really pretty. Aww. That's what it's saying. So, card money. Wishing you every happiness at this exciting time as you look forward to your special day and to the years you'll share together. Oh, thank you. So sweet. Okay. This bag has a lot of different things in it because I think I put a lot of stuff in it. Okay. My favorite store. Ooh, so we got some lingerie. We ain't gonna show it all, but you know, we got some lingerie. We most definitely will be using it. Okay. Okay, yeah, we gonna myself work that. Yes. Okay. So inside. Thank you. And I think that is it for the gifts. All I have now is cards. I received wedding advice for the bride, and they also like wrote vows. So I might read those in another video, but it's like a lot of good information on these. So I'm thankful for that. So mostly what I've the advice that I got from my family and friends, put God first, listen to each other, don't go to bed mad at each other. In communication, always be willing to listen to each other, and that's like something that I feel like is so important and stuff, to always like listen to your significant other and stuff, because sometimes we could get like so caught up, you know, you want to like have a moment to yourself, be on your phone and stuff, whatever, but you know, it's important to, you know, listen to your significant other, hear what they have to say and stuff, like let their voice be heard. So that was some great advice that we got. So this was the card that was in the Victoria's Secret bag. Let me see. Those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. Yep. Isaiah 40:31 NIV. Nicole, congratulations. May God continue to bless the both of you as you are getting ready to become one and start your new life together. Oh, thank you. That was really sweet. So this is the card. It is really, really cute and it's nice. And you know, we got money, some money. So that's to the side. Another card. So I know this may sound like funny. So my family, they call me Nicole, but everybody else, like friends and like colleagues and stuff, like I'm known as Andrea, but everybody in my family calls me Nicole. But my fiance calls me Andrea and stuff. But he can switch it. He switches the time sign. Oh, this is a really beautiful card. You'll be a stunning bride. It won't be because of the dress, the hair, or the makeup. It'll be because you're always a beautiful person inside and out. That's sweet. This card is so pretty. See? Aww. Money. You have that special about to be married glow. And as you walk down the aisle, it'll make you beyond gorgeous. Hope you enjoy every moment leading up to your amazing, unforgettable day. Happy shower. Aww. Yes, I love that. It's gorgeous. Let me stick this back in here. Card. A shower gift. Money. Just a little something to add even more joy to your already happy hearts. Aww. Oh, this is so pretty. So let's celebrate. Beautiful cake. Congratulations on this wonderful day when we all get to celebrate. Aww. Money. That's really nice. I really like this card. It's really cute. Oh, I did not mean for this video to be so long, y'all, but if y'all hanging in there with me, thank you. Thank you for watching. Oh, this is such a beautiful card. On your bridal shower. Isn't that beautiful? Money. May the two of you never stop celebrating. Congratulations. Oh, thank you. Beautiful card. And I think that was it, y'all. I think we made it. We made it. Okay, yeah, that was it. Okay. Well, thank y'all for hanging in there with me. You know, it's been 17 minutes. So, those were my gifts from my shower. I am going to have another one. We had that one for like my first day family, but we're going to have another one. My mother-in-law, she's going to throw me another one. And I'm just like, I'm so overwhelmed, like, with love and everything. It's just so wonderful. I'm like, I'm being celebrated and stuff, but well, me and my fiance are being celebrated in our union, and so I'm excited about that. So my coworkers did something for me. Like, we had like a little bachelorette. We went to a drag queen show, and where is it, Buford, off of Buford Highway, called Lips. And that was very fun. So my coworker threw that together. That was really, really sweet and stuff. And so I had like penis cake pops and the whole nine. And my other coworker, she got me some lingerie. It's really, really cute. Really cute stuff for the wedding night. So I'm excited about that and stuff. So, man, yeah, I'm just happy. I'm excited. I just want to, you know, I want us to enjoy this moment, me and my fiance, just to have fun. I don't want it to be stressful or anything, because initially, like, when we first started planning the wedding, it was a lot. And I was like, we need to opt into looking to go to overseas or something. But, you know, we're going to do this. We're going to get it done. Get this union going and everything. It's going to be great. So thank you guys for watching. Thank y'all for hanging in there with me. It's been about not 20 minutes. And y'all have a good one. Y'all have a great one. All right. Take care. Bye.